Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to ELPP3 to presentation. We would like to talk about one of the best invention mankind, which makes life easy and better. Of course, we'd like to talk about history of cars. Me and my colleagues will give you some more useful information about the best invention. Timur.
Thanks, Suzanne. Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about the history of cars. What was the first car in the world? Do you know?
Anybody?
No.
Or who made this innovation? Or where was it built?
Somewhere in America? Maybe?
Maybe.
Let's move to Japan.
Okay. The first car in the world was a Corvette Dutch old. You can see this car. I think have a zero protection, no roof, and that time cars have just one color, is black. The first car to be a largest scale produced in the USA, and in the USA was the 1901 by Renson Avery. He produced 425 cars between 1901 to 1904 in Detroit and Michigan. So, but it isn't the most famous car in the world. Which one is more well known? Do you know what's the name?
Just guess. Anyone got guess?
Okay. So, the world's first famous car was Ford Model T.
Well,
We can see this car. It's newest and first one, and we have a smaller choice about colors, and we have a roof, and about protection, I think they say. It was the first car which was produced in the different countries. Do you know which countries?
UK?
Canada.
It was United States and Canada.
Two countries.
Ford creates a huge variety of cars because I think because it was the first car in the world. So the Ford company sold over 250,000 cars in 1940, and this figure rise by 1960 to 472,000. I think it's a double figure. And more and more people could buy car as price dropped to $360. So it's, I think, if you compare prices now, it's really different. This really changed people's lifestyle because first car, I think that time not many people can buy a car because that time $360, I think it was a big price. We have presentation. Let's go on. Asad will take over. Thank you.
Okay, as my friend told before, we're going to talk about the history of cars from 1901 to nowadays. And what do you think, which success humanity achieved from 1901 to nowadays? Can you guess? Fiona.
Can you repeat the question again?
What do you think, which success humanity achieved from 1901 to nowadays, making cars?
About cars?
Yeah.
Successes? Something really fast. They can go really fast.
Yes, could be, yes, good first. And anyone?
Protection.
Yeah.
Walk longer the ball. Yes.
And of course, nowadays, mankind have achieved a very good success of making cars. For instance, they are more comfortable, more faster, safer cars. And nowadays, we have a very big choice from 1901, because in 1901 was just one choice. It's Ford, and other one it's Cow. Yeah. I'd like to talk about more comfortable car. Of course, you know, it's you need if you want to more comfortable, it will be a bit expensive. Yeah. It's a big problem nowadays. But if you want to really take this car, you can do it. Well, this is one of the best car in the world. It's more comfortable, and it's quite expensive car. This is a Maybach, and you can see that it's very amazing. It's a very nice car. Look into this inside. It's all the skins, seats, and glass roof. And so you can use a table, for example. You can walk in the moving cars or using laptop or something else. We have a more space. Other one will have a more less seats, and as I told before. We have an entertainment system including music and the games. You can listen radio or something to watch DVD on the car, but it's very useful and good achieved. And one of the important things of this cars is air conditioner. Due the global warming, I think it's very good for using condition. The other one, I'd like to talk about one of the good car is of course, I think it's the most males will know that it's Volvo. It's one of the safest car in the world. This is a Volvo. The development of airbags. This is, I think, its invention not to about 20 years ago. The cars start using the airbags, and other one is advanced braking systems, seat belts, the soldering stronger bodies of the cars if you crashed. For example, it's more you have more choices for life. The other one is I'd like to talk about. This is one of the very expensive car in the world. It's one of the fastest. This is your guess, Fiona. This is Bugatti. You can see this is a speed of amazing speed for the cars. It looks like a plane. You can move faster than you ever thought about that. Yeah, this is Of course, this car can't buy everyone who wants. You need more hard work and good business. For example, marketing. This is same other groups.
Company.
Yeah. So, the other one, the development of good motorways. This cars need more good roads. So you can see it's more lower than other cars. And the other one, regular cars can reach a speed of between 200 and 300. I think it's quite good and normal speed for cars. And the future cars will talk my friend is Ramzan. He will give some more useful and important information about future cars.